What can you expect if an uncontested divorce becomes contested? Well, it's a very good question. My name is Goldman, and I'm the founder of Goldman and Associates, and our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. It's a good question. What happens when an uncontested divorce becomes contested? So the scenario is that everybody starts this case out. We all agree on everything. She doesn't want anything from him. He doesn't want anything from her. He just wants to get his property back that he brought into the marriage. She wants her maiden name restored. Very, very simple. No kids, no nothing. The problem is that what happens when all of a sudden they start fighting over stuff? And I see it happen all the time. People will come here to the office, sit across this desk, and give me a story about how they agree on everything and they want to get an uncontested divorce. And I'll say, great. So give me some parameters. Tell me what this shipment's going to look like. And they say, what do you mean? I say, well, what are we doing, about the house? Who's staying, who's going? And they both look at each other. And all of a sudden a fight breaks out. You want me to pay them? I thought you were. I'm staying. I thought you were staying. The whole thing. And all of a sudden you realize these people are not anywhere nearly being an uncontested situation in as much as they fight about everything. So the thing is, a lot of times an uncontested matter will become contested. If it becomes contested, then right off the bat, the lawyer's going to say, hang on a minute, don't say anything that's confidential. Don't give out any secrets. You know why? I don't think I can represent both of you anymore in a joint filing because you guys don't agree on anything. So I'm going to represent you. You're going to have to go and get your own lawyer. So number one, you can expect if it becomes uncontested, you're not going to be able to utilize the same firm. Someone's going to have to go and hire another lawyer. And you know what that means? Another thing you can expect, it's going to cost twice as much. The bills are going to be, all of a sudden we got two sets of lawyers that have to be paid. So you're going to expect that. Another thing you're going to expect is the proceedings are going to be delayed. These proceedings can be done as quickly as 60 days if there's no children, it's uncontested. But the truth of the matter is, if the parties start fighting about this or about that, you can expect that the court's going to schedule it on a regular docket. It's not going to be on an expedited fast docket. It's going to be a regular track, a slow track, and it's probably going to take up to 6 months, maybe more, for what was an uncontested divorce yesterday and could have been done quicker. It's now going to be a contested divorce today. It's going to take much longer. So you're going to have more lawyers in your life. You're going to spend more money. It's going to take longer. What's the takeaway from all this? If you really have nothing to fight about, resolve whatever there is on your own and go to your lawyer and let it be uncontested. But you're going to find if you want to fight about the chairs or the TV or who gets the better set of dishes, you're going to spend way more proving yourself right than being wrong about it. So you know what? You don't fight over that picture that's $500 because it's going to cost you $2,000 to fight over it. And at some point in time, you're going to say, I can't believe it. For all this is costing me, I should have just given it to her. And you're going to look at your lawyer like it's his fault. Remember, you're the one who wanted to fight about it. You're the one who decided to change it from a non-contested to contested. And you can't blame the judge and you can't blame the lawyers. People decide what to fight about in strange ways. And I've learned over the years that sometimes we're not really fighting about the thing itself. We're fighting for the glory of the fight. It's not that somebody really wants that dining room table. It's that they don't want the other person to have the dining room table. Or she always gets her way. I don't want her to get her way this time. I don't care what it costs. I'm going to fight her because she's not getting that dining room table because my whole life she's bullied me and I'm not letting her bully me now. And that's great. But you have to understand there's a price tag that attaches to that where under cooler circumstances with, more settled state of mind, you might have decided, you know what, let her have that damn table. I'm going to buy myself a new one and a better one. Sometimes that's the best revenge, to make the right decision so you don't feed into what the other side wants to do. If you have any questions about your particular case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.